friends, this is Sridhar here and welcome to my channel Desi Talks. Today I would like to unbox the Samsung Galaxy Active2 smartwatch. I am very curious to unbox this smartwatch from Samsung. I always used to appreciate the products from Samsung, the way they create, the way they present it, the features they provide was always extraordinary. And I hope you will enjoy this video, and let's further unbox without wasting any further time. So this is the box which I received from Samsung. I ordered this from the Samsung website and they sent me a packed box with a seal. It also says don't accept if the seal is broken. So that's just to make sure that your box is not opened by anyone else. Or the packing is very special. As soon as you open it, you see a silver circle which also represents the watch. That means I believe the watch is inside here, and they also give you instruction for the watch. Is something like steps for the watch and how to adjust your belt. So it's a very transparent sheet and they show you how to do that here. Wow, it's really shiny and beautiful. Okay, wait, this comes without a strap fixed, so that is the reason you would need that instruction manual. It's a beautiful watch. It's really black. This is the one which I ordered, a black with a steel cased. So they give some boxes for the safety reasons so that the watch doesn't damage while they send it. And they also have sent the straps, because without this you will not be able to wear it, of course. Makes sense. Let's unpack this thing. Okay, it's also tightly sealed. Be careful while cutting it, maybe you can damage the strap, so you really have to be careful. So I also ordered a black one with a black strap, so there's nothing else. I would basically expect a charger because I need to charge the watch. Of course, there's another box with instruction manuals of how to use, a quick start guide about the watch, and the warranty card. So these are some things which are very common for any product. Yeah, the interesting part, the charger. So all of these are basically just the USB cable, but they're not given the plug because you usually can plug it to the laptop or any power source that is compatible with this. So I'll need to further push this here so that I get that out. They really made it complicated with this as a partition inside which blocks the cable when you get it out. Yeah, so this is the one. So now the first thing, let's follow these instructions and put the straps to the dial. So you see the circle, which is the first one. So the smallest one should go on the top. It needs to be like this. It's a really beautiful, shiny stainless steel finished case. So you need to put this in and make sure that you pull this a little, slide this so that the other side also fits in properly. Yeah, I get it's not that common to do it every day, so yeah, I need to get let's check the quick start guide. It will help us to start the watch. It's some charging. So you can see that there is a speaker, heart rate sensor, pressure vent, atmospheric pressure sensor, key, microphone, and a home key. And it's mainly for the exercises and your health conditions. It tracks it very well. So now I'm gonna see how I can start this watch. Wow! I need to click this button to start this, and the beautiful display, a bright one, shows up. The Samsung Galaxy Active2. So the watch which I ordered has a stainless steel casing, and it's a little bit more expensive than the normal. Okay, now I did set up the watch. It looks beautiful. It has a bright display, and I could select the watch face I need. So this is one of the watch faces which I did install and select it. Very colorful, of course. Okay, now the watch is ready to use. Just to give a quick glance, I can scroll towards right or left to see what are the options available and do the necessary settings. Since this being a sports watch, you have exclusive options to choose, and the two home buttons, which takes me back to the home screen, and one for the selection of the apps or do the settings. Okay, so I'm glad I can use this watch now. Watching the video, I hope I provided you enough information to decide which watch you would like to buy. So I already have this watch on my wrist, and I super like this, the bright screen especially. And thanks guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and have a nice day.